Be ready? Start. This seminar to discuss parliamentary democratic forms of government is a very good move. Stop. I have looked at the heads of discussion on which papers have been received. Stop. They are interesting aspects of parliamentary democracy, but it seems to me that they deal with somewhat superficial aspects of the question. Stop. Democracy is, a speaker just now said, is a means to an end. Stop. What is the end we aim at? Stop. I do not know if everybody will agree with me, but I would say the end is the good life for the individual. Stop. What form it should take can be argued about, but the good life certainly must imply a certain satisfaction of the essential economic needs, which will release him from continuous oppression and which will give him a chance to develop his creative faculties. Stop. Era. Parliamentary democracy is a growth of the last 150 or 200 years. Stop. We must remember that even in England, the franchise was strictly limited till recently. Stop. 20 or 30 years ago, a small percentage of the population had the vote. Stop. Even now, in quite advanced countries, women who form half the population do not have the vote. Stop. Democracy in those countries is presumably male democracy. Stop. Era. It needed many struggles before democracy in the 19th century could widen out from the strict confines of certain classes. Stop. As the franchise was extended, the representatives chosen also ceased to belong to the higher classes. Stop. It is only in the last 30 years or so that adult franchise has come into being in a number of countries. Stop. This period is not long enough really to tell us what the ultimate effects of the universal franchise are likely to be in solving problems. Problems are solved not merely by the governmental structure being good, but by the quality of human beings, their education and their character. Stop. The machine can at best make it easier for those qualities to develop and remove any elements which suppress growth. Stop. Era. In the past, democracy has been taken chiefly to mean political democracy, roughly represented by the idea of every person having a vote. Stop. It is obvious that a vote by itself does not mean very much to a person who is down and out and starving. Stop. Such a person will be much more interested in food to eat than in a vote, his democratic right. Stop.